So you want to make money with AI created books, but you don't know where to start. You are lucky for this. I'm here.
Okay.
Actually, here is the reality. They are earning with this simple storybook for kids has made over $181,500 in passive income. So what if me and you could overtake them using AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process of making children books just like theirs, from start to finish, using only AI tools. This means the story is made with AI, the images will be creating using AI, and even the full fantastic visual using AI. The best part, though, you can sell it anywhere you want in 2023. So if it sounds good to you, pay attention and let's get this bread from them. Now we are here on the screen. Here you will open the Google Chrome and you will search here the ChatGPT. When you search for ChatGPT, just click on this link and you will be here. And after this, type here whatever you want. I will type that write a short story for children book about three friends living in a village. So here it will give me the full generated story, and you can also give it like along with the title, and it will give us the full generated story along with the title and short paragraph just like this. And I have made the tutorial video on ChatGPT. You can also watch it and can get complete understanding of this tool. So here when it is done, just we will go to another tool, that is Blue Willow. Here you will search the Blue Willow on the Google and type the Blue Willow, and you will be here on the Blue Willow website. Here what we will do is just create the images for our books like cover photo and main page and other pages. Just come here and copy the title here. After this, paste it in the Blue Willow like slash imagine, and then after this paste it in here and you will get these images. Here you will find 4 images, and I like this one, so I will upscale this image, and after this I will go to the upscale. Here the images has been upscaled. Now click on the image and open in the browser and just come here and copy the image or just save image as in your folder. So after this, come to the paragraph and copy the paragraph slash imagine, paste it in here, and you will get the images as they have given us ago. So press enter button. Like you can also copy these, it will generate just like fantastic images here, and just click on enter. So it will create the images for us. I will upscale these 3 images. I love them. So I will open in the browser or just save images from here. You can do it like with the all images, save image, and just copy the other paragraph and paste it the Blue Willow. Just do it here again. We will do the same we have done with the past. Just copy the prompt and paste it in here and upscale and just save it in your folder. After this, come to Canva, search the storyboard. Here you will click on the storyboard, and when you come here, so click on the create blank. Here you will click on this and it will be just upload all the images you have downloaded from the Blue Willow and just copy them and paste it in here or just upload them. Here you will first of all make and adjust the cover photo for our book. So I will adjust it here, and here you can see my image is being adjusted. Our book will have a title, so we will click on the text and here we will add a heading. You can also do it easily and just click on it, and here we will find text format here, and just copy the title from the ChatGPT and paste it in here. As you can see, if you want to get these like text or text format or styles, so you can also get from here. Okay, so I don't want any of them. I will just click on this, copy the title and paste. I will adjust it according to the picture look fantastic. So here I will do it like this. Okay, and now as you can see here, we can also change the fonts you want. I will leave it like this is good one, and you can also change the color of the text. And here it is the most important part. You will change the border, make the backgrounds with the text, because our text should be clear, visible. So if it is visible, title will be good. So here now I will adjust this also, and here I am adjusting it a little bit more because it's not looking good. Now here what you will do, you can also make it clear by choosing your own font, like your own brand you want to have in the cover. So I will make it bold here, and you can also do this very easily on the Canva. Canva is very best tool, like it is the most important tool. So here you will adjust the text and everything I have done, and click on the plus button to create another one. Just we have uploaded all the picture. Here I will do the same thing and drag the photo or click on the photo of what you have downloaded just here, and also copy the paragraph here. And if you don't want to copy the full paragraph, you can do also like 2 or 3 lines here and just copy it, paste it in here, just the text here. I have made the video faster because I don't want to waste your time. Just do the same things whatever you have done with the others, color and effects and everything, fonts and boldness, everything you have to do with the text. Now just click on the plus button and add the picture you have downloaded and adjust it according to the page. Copy the text of the paragraph and paste it in the picture. Do the same like text with the text and effects and like everything we have done earlier. I am telling you again and again. So do it like this image, copy the paragraph and paste it in here. We will do the third one as same as other, that our book have similarities in pictures and the text, and also our book look fantastic. So I hope you have learned something and enjoyed. I have show you how to sell and where to sell in the next video. Now you have to download it here in PDF form. So we will meet in my another amazing videos. Until that time, take care. Goodbye.